Koan3 colon, or Koan3 colon. There is one in the midst of plenty. Vast as worldwide data storage is today, 5 years ago from now, it will be 10 times as large. Yet the information explosion means, paradoxically, the loss of information that is not online. One of us recently saw a new doctor at a clinic he had been using for decades. She showed him dense charts of his blood chemistry and data transferred from his home medical device to the clinic's computer. More data than any specialist could have had at her disposal 5 years ago. The doctor then asked whether he had ever had a stress test and what the test had shown. The records should be all there, the patient explained in the medical file, but it was in the paper file to which the doctor did not have access. It wasn't in the computer's memory, and the patient's memory was being used as a poor substitute. The old data might as well not have existed at all, since it was digital. Even information that exists in the digital world is useless if there's no device to read it. The rapid progress of storage engineering has meant that data stored on obsolete devices effectively ceased to exist. In Chapter 3, The Ghost in the Machine, we shall see how 20th century updates of 11th century British doomsday book was useless by the time it was only a sixtieth the age of the original. Your secret word is family. Family. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Or consider the search, the subject of Chapter 4, needles in the haystack. At first, search engines such as Google and Yahoo were interesting conveniences, which a few people used for special purposes. The growth of the World Wide Web has put so much information online that search engines are for many people the only places to look for something. Before they look in books or ask friends, in the process appearing prominently in search results has become a matter of life or death for businesses. We may move on to a purchase from a competitor if we can't find the site we want in the first page or two of results. We may assume something didn't happen if we can't find it quickly. In an online news source, if it can't be found or found quickly, it's just as though it does not exist.